Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to customize your task changer on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this is one of the coolest tweaks on your Samsung S25 Ultra. The task changer gives you completely new styles for your app switcher. So it gives you like a grid layout, stack card, or if you like a minimalistic look, you can even have like a list view. So let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. Now within GoodLock app, you're opening up the Home Up module. Here, go ahead and tap on Task Changer, switch this feature on, and now you can go ahead and choose from all these 4 available choices. So you have a tilt stack, which looks like that, which is the normal standard one. Next, you have the grid view, where you have all in grids. Next, you have the vertical list, so it goes in a vertical list. And lastly, you have the slim list, so it goes in a list format. Now with the vertical list, you can even turn on the circular list. So the vertical list type changes to a circular type. So it goes more like a semicircle. As you can see, it's going like this. If I turn it off, you'll see that it goes straight up and down. Now, if you have a lot of apps open on your app switcher, you can even turn on the search bar. So you can go ahead and search for the app, what you're looking for. So if you tap search and you're searching for maybe Temu, go ahead and search, and then this will open up that recent app for Temu. So your multitasking becomes more smoother, faster, and actually fun on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go, guys. That is how to customize your task changer on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.